How to enable or disable the voice access or voice command in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on accessibility, click on attraction and dexterity, click on voice access. Here you will see on off button. And if you want to enable voice access or voice command, then turn on this button. Now click on allow. After click on allow, enable the voice access or voice command from your phone. And if you want to disable voice access or voice command, then turn off this button. Now click on turn off. After click on turn off, disable voice access or voice command from your phone. By this button, you can enable or disable the voice access or voice command from your phone. This is how you can fix the enable or disable voice access or voice command in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.